Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, I am Mr. Wagmare sir from Tondle High School. Hello friends, today we are going to study essential English words, meaning in English, examples, sentences, part 2. Hello friends, see the words advantage. An advantage is something that helps you. Being tall is an advantage to a basketball player. To cause is to make something happen. The cold weather caused her to get sick. Choice. A choice is the act or possibility of picking something. I had my choice of 5 doors to open. Community. A community is a group of people who live together. The kids from my community usually play together. Dead. To be dead is to not be alive. A dead person is usually buried in the ground. Distance. The distance between two things is how far it is between them. The distance between the earth and the moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. Escape. To escape is to run away from something bad. The butterfly could not escape from the cage. Face. If you face a problem, you deal with it. My sister and I have to find a better way to face our differences. Follow. To follow means to go behind someone and go where they go. The little boy followed his mother home. Fright. Fright is the feeling of being scared. She was filled with fright. Ghost. A ghost is the spirit of a dead person. Many people are afraid of ghosts. Individual. An individual is one person. Only one individual could win the bicycle race. Pet. A pet is an animal that lives with people. Out of all my pets, the dog is my favorite. Reach. To reach means to arrive at a place. I was happy to finally reach my destination. Return. To return is to go back to a place. I was happy to return home to my mom after school. Survive. To survive is to stay alive. My dog survived her fall into the water. Upset. To be upset is to be unhappy about something. She was upset because she broke her toy. Voice. A voice is the sound a person makes when they talk or sing. He used a microphone so everyone could hear his voice. Weather. The weather is the condition of the air. Hot, rainy, windy, etc. The weather can be sunny, rainy or cold. Wise. To be wise is to use experience and intelligence to make good choices. Many people believe that owls are very wise animals. Allow. To allow something to happen means to let it happen. Having a ticket will allow you to enter the show. Announce. To announce something is to make it known. He announced to everyone his new idea for the company. Beside, when someone or something is beside you, they are next to you. The two brothers stood beside each other. Challenge. A challenge is something difficult to complete. It was a challenge to climb to the top of the mountain. Claim. To claim means to say that something is true. He claimed to know why the country's laws were weak. Condition. The condition of someone or something is the state that they are in. The patient's condition was very good. Contribute. To contribute to something means to do something to make it successful. We decided to contribute money to the new hospital. Difference. A difference is a way that something is not like other things. The biggest difference between the birds is the color of their feathers. Divide. To divide something is to make it into smaller parts. We divided the pizza. Expert. An expert is someone who is very good at doing something. The wizard was an expert at magic. Famous. If someone or something is famous, they are known to many people. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is very famous. Force. Force is a person's strength or power. He used all his force to try and open the door. Harm. Harm is hurt to problems, cause to someone or something. A hot iron can cause great harm if you are not careful. Lay. To lay means to put or place in a horizontal or flat position. Don't lay your socks on the floor. Peace. Peace is a time without war. A white dove is a symbol of peace. A white dove is a symbol for peace. Prince. A prince is the son of a king. The prince and the princess were married. Protect. To protect someone is to stop them from getting hurt. Firemen protect us from fires. Sense. To sense something is to know about it without being told. I could sense that he was watching me. Sudden. When something is sudden, it happens very quickly. He felt a sudden pain in his chest. Therefore means for this reason. He is fat, therefore he will go on a diet. Accept. To accept something that is offered is to take it. I accepted the girl's very nice gift. Arrange. To arrange things is to put them in the right place. Please arrange the bowling pins in order to so we can play. Attain. To attain something is to go to it. My sister and I attend the same school. Balance. To balance something is to keep it from falling. We saw an elephant balance itself on a ball. Contrast. A contrast is the sharp difference between two things. The contrast between my parents is very noticeable. Encourage. To encourage someone is to make them want to do something. My football coach will encourage us when we are losing. Familiar. If someone or something is familiar to you, you know them well. The two friends were very familiar with each other. Grab. To grab is to take a hold of someone or something suddenly. He grabbed a pear from the tree. Hang. To hang something is to keep it above the ground. I drew a picture of my family and my mother hung it on the wall. Huge. If something is huge, it is very big. At work, my father drives a huge truck. Necessary. If something is necessary, you must do it. It is necessary to have a passport when you travel to a foreign country. Pattern. A pattern is a way in which something is done or organized. My pattern of brushing my teeth is the same as most people's. Purpose. To purpose something is to say that it should be done. Santa Claus proposed that I try to be a good boy all year. Purpose. A purpose is the reason that you do something. The purpose of exercising is to get into shape. Release. To release something is to stop holding it. She released the bird from her hands. Require. To require something is to say that it is necessary. We require teachers to have a university degree. Single. If something is single, then there is only one. I have a single key in my hand. Success. Success is done something well that you choose to do. My daughter was a big success at school. Tear. To tear something means to pull it apart. It is easy to tear paper. Theory. A theory is an idea about how something works. We walked about Einstein's theory of relativity in class. Hello friends, thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and watch for 5 minutes and share it to your friends and relatives, and also subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video very soon.